Guys, Doug's getting tattoo removal today on his neck. Are you scared? I would be. This is Frank. You're Frank, right?
I got you ready. Yep. All we'll do one pulse here. Yep. Kind of give me an idea what it's going to feel like, okay? Okay. Oh, yeah. That white effect there and that's water vapor that comes up on the skin, that goes away after about 15 minutes. Yep.
You tell me if I'm in your way.
You're fine. Okay. Oh, yeah.
How's it feel, Doug?
The hair is colder than it is. That hair doesn't show. Yep.
Wow. Let him loose on your chest.
No. Arms after this.
Dragon Ball Z.
Very good treatment, though. Real good result.
It's not too bad, huh?
No, it ain't too bad. Glad it's only 15 minutes.
He's already got a lot done.
Yep. About that when I was unraised on this thing. When I was looking online in college, some people were charging like $150 an hour. I'm like, man, I don't know if I was going to do it for an hour. Now I know. There ain't no way. Yeah. Okay. Middle? Yep. If you want a break, just tell me, okay?
You're not saved anymore. Say? So you're not saved anymore?
Yeah.
Still
I'm praying now. You ready? Yep. Don't get a little sensitive around that animal. Okay. Yeah, I'm good. It's a different kind of pain.
This is great. I'm so glad I came.
I knew you'd enjoy it. You got a little bit better sleep than he does.
Well, he deserves it after doing all that. Not that he's not going to cover it back up. His neck says tab, but now we see how easy it is to take that off.
You okay? Oh yeah, I'm good.
Don't pinch me. I didn't do it.
What's happening is the laser goes in there and it breaks that ink up. Over the next 6 to 8 weeks, your body will flush that ink out to the bloodstream.
I'm gonna turn you around, buddy. So.
All right.
I got you get free cheese. I want to come over this way.
Okay. That would come that way?
Over
Or?
this way.
Okay.
Okay, so all this.
Yeah.
How you feeling? Well, I'll tell you, Mike, if you...
Oh, nice.
I get a little bit right there. The sides wasn't too bad. The middle was rough. Yeah, the side's not bad. Just get around that.
That's
Center there.
blistery. Yeah.
When I got to put on the middle, it didn't hurt at all. The sides was still... Yep. Look this way, first. I gotta get the top of that crop there, okay? Good.
I would be crying like a baby.
Take a rest. I'm just about done with it. Top part.
I think I'll slap you in the neck.
Don't slap.
I won't. He wants to get a big koi fish or whatever there, and I think that I don't like them.
Alright, hard part's probably over with now.
But I don't like the tombstones either.
Okay. Well, we go out there and look. See what else? Better, bud?
Yeah, I'm ready.
That's much better.
You look like it's much better. His little ears are in the way.
We'll take a couple minutes.
Yeah.
What's it feel like?
It's wonderful.
No, really, what does it feel like? Does it feel like grease?
Bacon grits or rubber bands. It is. Good? Yeah. Yeah. The quicker we get over here, the better off we'll be.
Will you do this again?
What?
Are you still on your arm done?
Yeah, I don't think my arm will be as bad.